What is the Chewbacca Star Wars themed parade during Mardi Gras all about, and what does this adorable cookie monster have to do with it? Well, let's go see. This is no ordinary parade. It's a celebration of creativity, fandom, and beautiful wild spirit that makes New Orleans the most magical place on earth. Mardi Gras itself is more than beads, music, and revelry. At its heart, it's about community, inclusion, and joy. It is a time when people from all walks of life, locals and visitors alike, come together to dance in the streets to embrace the diversity that defines us and to be unapologetically themselves. It is the time to shed the ordinary and to step into the extraordinary. Exactly what Chewbaccus embodies. Here, geeks, artists, and dreamers unite. This parade is living proof that no matter who you are, what you love, or where you come from, there is a place for you in this celebration. As the homemade floats roll by, powered by the hands of passionate makers, as the costume marchers dance through the streets, as the cheers and laughter echo through the city, remember that this is more than just a parade. This is a statement that joy is for everyone. Creativity has no limits. And together we make something really, truly special out of this world.